Just gonna walk her around, let her see some of these jumps. So she's not so spooky. Because she's supposed to try to do Hunter Hack. We'll see how she does. Good girl. What a good girl. Oop. Easy, Christine, easy.
Oh,
Yeah. Easy, don't expect too much.
Very cute.
Good girl. Don't expect too much, Christine.
Hey, she did it.
Good girl.
Except my mom over there.
Good girl. Nice and easy. She goes, ow, I don't want to do that again.
That's it.
I think that's good. Yeah, that was good for her.
Good job. Okay, who's next?
That's the most she's ever done in one time.